Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about solutions to inequalities, and this is actually very similar to what we did with solutions to equations. So as you can see, they have given you an inequality up top. 2a plus 7 is greater than 13. And what we are going to do is we're going to take the value for a that they gave us, which in the first situation is 2. And we're going to plug in that 2 where the a is. We're going to solve the problem. So we're going to substitute the value of a in. We're going to solve and then see if our answer is greater than 13. So we're going to go ahead and write it out. So 2 times, remember this is multiplication, 2 times 2, which is our value for a, plus 7 is greater than 13. And now we're going to solve using order of operations. So the first thing we're going to do is 2 times 2, which is 4. Bring down what you haven't done, plus 7 is greater than 13. Then we're going to do 4 plus 7, which is going to give us 11. 11 is greater than 13. Is that true? 11 is not greater than 13, so for this first one, our answer is no. 2 is not a solution to the inequality given. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. So they give us a different value here. They say, okay, what about if a is 3? So let's rewrite it. 2 times 3 plus 7 is greater than 13. First thing we're going to do is 2 times 3, which would be 6. Bring down plus 7 is greater than 13. Right now we're going to do 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13, is greater than 13. Is that true? Is 13 greater than 13? No, 13 is actually equal to 13. So that means that a equals 3 is not a solution to the inequality. Alright, for our last one, we're going to do 4. We're going to substitute a 4 in. So we're going to rewrite it. 2 times 4 plus 7 is greater than 13. First step is 2 times 4, which is going to give us 8 plus 7 is greater than 13. Next step is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Is 15 greater than 13? Question mark. The answer is yes. So that means that a equals 4 is a solution. The other ones are not. So a equals 4 is a solution to this inequality because when we solved it, a is greater than 13. Now I want to remind you or have you keep in mind that you can have multiple solutions here because a lot of different numbers that you plug in for a are going to give you an answer that's greater than 13. So sometimes you might get more than one yes for these.